guys, welcome back to my channel, the Let's Rhapsody channel. Today I have another unboxing video of BJDs, and I know you have been long waiting for this. So this time I got you a new brand which is called METISdoll. The artist is from China. His name is Metis, or you can also call him Mihui. I know him because he has kind of a close relationship, or he's one of the friends of another dolls artist, which is Akutan's artist Lucy. You must know her, if you have been watching my videos before, or you can also check it out later. So I bought this doll from a second-hand website because I missed the order period the first time. If you keep checking his status, you can actually purchase the doll through Instagram or Etsy, and also Weibo if you are in China. And this doll name is Sasha. She's supermodel from the supermodel series, and I got her with a pair of super high heels feet. And her original fit, you can just choose some like a flat fit type, or you can also choose high heel fit type. So now I get two pairs of feet, and like looking at her and the bosses, she's actually very, very tiny. She has the same height as Akutan. Like Akutan is around 43 centimeters tall. She's also having the same height, which is typical. I think it's a typical 1 to 4 size BJD, like height. However, she looks even tinier because the body is not that thick. It's more skinny type, and also the head and the joints and the body shape, I would say it's quite comparable to Popovi's sister. So if you have a Popovi's sister doll, her wig or some of her clothes can actually best fit this doll. And I really enjoy having a doll like this because it's easy to carry, but it's still having a very right proportion. The best thing about this doll, and the thing I would like to compliment, is that it has the smoothest joints I have ever experienced. Every posture, you can pose it laterally with twisting the doll joint into whatever angle you want. And the other thing that I would like to highly rate it is that, look at the head cap. The artists really make a lot of effort in fitting the doll's head cap to her head, because when you just like close the head cap, it has literally no line in between, so it's just perfectly fit. And this time, for my Sasha, they have two versions. One of the version is that it's a straight leg, which is without a joint there. And for me, I order it with a joint on her leg because I would like to see more posture, and I actually feel like it's more aesthetic to have a legs joint. And yeah, this is me demonstrating the flexibility to you. And obviously Sasha has a more like an African look than a European, or like maybe an Asian. She has a thicker lips, which I think is very gorgeous, super sassy, and it makes her feel like a real model. And this time it's really a real like a big step, or I would say it's a very new experience to me to order a tan skin color tone. I always wanted a tan skin color because I feel like with a darker skin, it makes it more exotic, and it looks really, really amazing that all the body shape and also the scratches can be seen like easier. The layers of it is very elegant too. This is why I like this doll very much. And so overall, this is how Sasha look. You can pose it in any ways you want, and she still look beautiful in any way. And yeah, so if you would like to know more information about this store and also like other videos from my channel, you can just comment down below, and also like check out other unboxing video of my BJDs. I think later on I will give her makeup by myself, or maybe I will film a video and show you the process. And I will also order some clothes and also some specialized wig for her, because she has more typical a wear size compared to other BJD. And I hope you like my video this time. If you have any ideas for how I decorate my doll, just let me know. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.